Hi, I'm Danielle, and today I will be giving you a general overview of Odoo software, all the operations you can do on it, all the basic operations you can do on it, and all the basic modules and applications you can install and explore. So in front of you, you should see the apps menu with all the apps we are going to explore now. And of course, you can always install new apps by clicking on apps and installing and exploring the app you want. But today we are just focusing on these ones. So first, we are going to approach the Contacts app. In this app, you have all your contacts organized. You have all your workers' contacts, all your suppliers' contacts, and of course, all your customers' contacts. You can always create or modify the ones you have. So, with the contacts established, we can establish our products and corresponding bill of materials by going into the manufacturing app, master data, and products. Of course, we already have various products, but we're going to demonstrate how to create one. Just click on Create and fill in the blanks with the corresponding information and just click Save. The same goes for the bill of materials. You can just click on Create and say which ones are the raw materials you need to combine to get a final product and click Save once again. So before we go into the Purchase app, we need to go into the Quality app. The Quality app allows us to establish quality control points throughout various checkpoints. We are going to demonstrate how to create a quality control point. In this case, we are going to create one for lenses upon their arrival with the corresponding instructions. And we save it. Now establish a quality control point. So now we are able to go into the Purchase app and put in a purchase order through a request for quotation. Just click on Create, select your supplier, the product you want to order, and the quantity you want to order in it. And just send your quotation by email to your supplier. Confirm the order and receive the products. So now we need to go into the inventory app and validate those receipts where there's one to process. You click on the corresponding receipt order, implement the quality check we just implemented earlier, pass the check, and validate the receipt order. So after receiving the products we just ordered, we need to produce them in order to get a final product. So we just go into the manufacturing app, click on create a manufacturing order. We are going to produce sunglasses classic black with the corresponding bill of materials, mark as to do, and check the availability in the warehouse. There are no reds, which means they are all available in the corresponding quantities. So we click on produce and save. Once again, we need to go into the inventory app, the section regarding the manufacturing, and click on the corresponding manufacturing order and mark it as done to validate it. So after the product is manufactured, we are able to sell it. So by doing so, we click on the sales app, we click on create a quotation, select the customer we want to sell it to, in this case multi-óticas, add the product, the quantity, for instance 5 sunglasses, and send the quotation by email to our customer. After sending it, we can confirm it and then create an invoice. So once again, like the manufacturing and the purchase order, we need to go to the inventory, the section regarding delivery orders, and click on the corresponding delivery order and validate it. After validating, we can go into the final app, which is the invoicing app. We click on it and select the corresponding invoice. So after selecting it, we can post it, and after the payment comes through, we can register the payment, which will appear paid in the invoice. right here in the top right corner, and we can finally send the invoice to our customer. A PDF format of the invoice will be automatically downloaded. And with this final app, we are able to get a basic grasp of how Odoo software works and the operations we can do on it, and all the basic modules and the applications we can explore. So, thank you for watching.